Do you want to create your own Facebook group? Facebook group is a great way to have your own community, which you may want to monetize. At InResite, we love to connect the dots of world's problems and, we believe, to create Facebook group is one of such problem. So when you follow through this tutorial till the end, you will be able to create your Facebook group without needing the help of anyone. Before we begin, let's recap what Facebook group is. What is Facebook group? Facebook group is a Facebook feature that allows brand and business owners to create a subcommunity, where they can to interact with their users, customers and other brands and businesses. Basically, Facebook group is designed to have an admin that's the owner or one representing the owner and the members, which include both the employees and users or customers. What are the benefits of Facebook group to brands and businesses? There are few known benefits that brands and businesses get by having Facebook group. One, brands and businesses can easily interact with their employees and customers via Facebook group. 2, with Facebook group, brands and businesses can drive more sales. 3, speaking of traffic, brands and businesses drive more traffic via Facebook group. 4, with Facebook group, brands and business know their users or customers want and need via posts and comments. This gives ideas to brand and business owner on what's needed. How Facebook group works. When a Facebook user creates a Facebook group, he or she is by default the admin. The admin has the right to select more admins, contributors and other groups members. In Facebook group, the admins are capable of imposing restrictions on other groups members found violating the group rules. As for every group members, are able to post, share, make comments and react as per the group rules. Again, a member of a Facebook group can report the group if the group violates Facebook's terms of use. How to create Facebook group. Let's get started with creating Facebook group. Next, I add page to Facebook group. How to add page to Facebook group.
How do people make money using Facebook group?
You can make money using Facebook group through the following ways. 1. Donations. Your users or customers donate to your organization. 2. Launch a paid membership service. 3. Sell products or services to group members. 4. Sell people's products via affiliate marketing. 5. Make paid webinars and events. 6. Start to advertise once your group reaches 25,000 members. 7. Offer coaching and workshop services. 8. Offer paid courses. 9. Turn your group into a paid premium group. 10. Drive traffic to your monetized website, app, channel or all.
What is the best way to grow a Facebook group?
There are many ways you can grow a Facebook group, namely 1. Have a compelling mission for the group, which users will want to be among. 2. Create rich content that catches people's eyes. 3. Buy search engine or social media ads. 4. Invite friends and family via invite button provided in the group by Facebook. 5. Use word of mouth to invite people to follow your group. 6. Offer your members valuable content and targeted offers. 7. Interact with your members, and ask questions. 8. Ask your most dedicated fans for help in growing the group. 9. Point links from your website or channel or your other social media handles to the Facebook group, and your audience will follow.
How long does it take Facebook to review a group?
Facebook takes 48 hours to review a group. If there are any discrepancies in the review process, it can take up to 45 days or more.
Why did my Facebook group get disabled?
You may be unintentionally responsible for the disabled Facebook group by you mistakenly disabling the group. Or maybe Facebook's automated bot deleted the group without validating the actual scenario.